Hey guys, so before entering the airport you have to show your आधार कार्ड एंड टिकट फॉर स्कैनिंग, देन ओनली आप एयरपोर्ट के अंदर जा सकते हो। और ये है चेन्नई एयरपोर्ट एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, और यहाँ पे चेन्नई का पूरा कल्चर दिखाया हुआ। देन यू विल गो टू चेक इन लगेज काउंटर, वहाँ पर आप अपना लगेज दोगे। एंड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स लगेज इज़ 25 kg एंड फॉर नॉर्मल it's 15 kg, and these were the items which you can't carry inside the flight. And after that you will go for some scanning and there will be a biometric for face scanning. Then you have to take out all your electronics. All the electronics you can carry in your cabin luggage, not in your check-in luggage. And cabin luggage is that which you can carry in the flight, and आपको फ्लाइट में जाने से पहले अपने सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स स्कैन करवाने होंगे। एंड दिस इज़ ऑन दीज बोर्ड्स यू विल गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फ्लाइट व्हेन द फ्लाइट इज़ डिपार्चरिंग और अराइविंग, वट एवर इट इज़। एंड दिस इज़ द बोर्डिंग पास which you will be getting from the airline. And then you have to wait in the queue, and then my flight was Indigo, and then they'll carry you in a bus to the flight, or you can directly board into the flight. They'll connect a passage, and then मैं अपनी फ़्लाइट के लिए पहुंच चुकी थी। I reached for my flight, and this was the bus I was traveling in. and ये जाते टाइम भी होगा, and when you land it's possible that you will the same bus will carry you. And this is the flight and this is the inside. Like you have to keep your luggage above your heads, and this is the space given for keeping your bottles and everything. And this is the vomit bag if you're feeling not well, so most of the people get these things. And then this is the like a stand type thing, इस पे आप अपना खाना वगैरह रख के खा सकते हैं. And this is how a flight will look inside. And I got one window seat. Actually my seat got upgraded, so I got the seat. And then flight will take off and they'll tell you all the instructions that you have to wear, how you can wear your seat belt and everything. And night में ऐसा कुछ view दिखेगा. Then after landing they'll tell you your belt number. So belt number is a thing which on which your check-in luggage will come. So you have to go there and you have to collect your check-in luggage. So check-in luggage आप अपना सबमिट करवा देते हो, वो आपको फ्लाइट के बाद मिलता है. और केबिन लगेज विच यू कैन कैरी ऑन द फ्लाइट, बट in check-in luggage there should be no appliances, batteries, etc. But in the cabin luggage you can carry all the appliances. And these are the buttons, like you click this button, then crew member will come, and through these round things you can control the airflow. So I reached, this is Delhi airport, and on these boards all the flights coming going, it will be written. And on these boards all the things about the terminal and all the belt numbers will be written on the yellow boards. And these are the belts on which the luggage will be coming. And from here you can, in the flight they'll be telling you the belt number, and on this belt you will be collecting back your luggage. So thank you guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel.